Okay, this here is the 2015 Ford F-550. This is got the 6.8 liter V10 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, crew cab as you can see. It's got 92,000 miles on it. Did some reconditioning to the bed and the toolboxes there. Just some paint thrown on there, that's all. Just kind of give it a little bit better of a look for you. But we'll take a look inside, see what she's got to offer. There ain't a whole lot of fancy features on this vehicle. It's got good tires though. Front and back. Okay, so it's just crank windows, manual locks, vinyl seats, all that good stuff. Oh, missed the door. Crew cab. Lots of space for passengers. Bring the whole crew to one job site. Here we go. Some storage boxes. Not rusted out. Ready to store stuff. This truck can do it all. Here's the bed. It's in good shape there. No holes going through, nothing like that. Same story over here. Just some utility boxes, no big deal. This side of the back seat. Headliner's in good shape. Ooh, almost fell. Let's see. So we got 92,000 miles on this unit. Right now it does have a check engine light on that will be fixed before it goes off the lot. So here's your radio, you got your heat and AC, all that good stuff. Electronic trailer brakes. I have the master switch engaged right now, which is how you operate your dump bed. You take your little keypad here, this sends it up, this sends it down. So if you look up, you can see it going up, down, you can see it come back down. So you know, not too many features available in this one, but it's a dump bed, got plenty of space, has the storage boxes, easy to use, easy to drive, ready to start working. So come on in, check it out.